can all agree that the personal finance niche is considered one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, with a high RPM of $16 and a CPM of $29 for every 1,000 views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube automation channel. Using this method, I guarantee I'll provide real value with no nonsense. If you stick around till the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own YouTube automation business. We'll cover everything from creating the channel, designing logos, generating voiceovers, and writing scripts, to creating our first video together. By the end of the video, you'll be a YouTube automation expert. I'll even show you a quick clip of the video I was able to create in just 20 minutes. Let's talk about how to pay off debt faster. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a car loan, debt can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you pay off your debt faster. There are actually 5 parts to creating the actual video, and at the end, I'll share one last tip that I learned from running my own successful YouTube channel. This tip will help you make well over $20,000 per month. That's why you're here, right? Most people pay thousands of dollars for this information, but I'm giving it to you for free. All I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I won't disappoint you. Today is a big one, so get comfortable. For your convenience, I'll add a Google Doc in the description with a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow along with, as well as all the prompts I'll be using. All the links will be there as well. First, you need to go to YouTube and click on the icon in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio and click on Settings. In the window that pops up, look for Channel and then go to Advanced Settings. Click on Manage to access the account settings. Here, you can create a new YouTube channel. Then, visit Chatgpt and ask it to generate a list of 10 names for a finance channel. Make sure to ask for short and easy to remember names. Once you have the list, pick one you find interesting. For example, I'm going with Wealthwise. Copy the name, go back to YouTube, paste it, and click on Create. That's it. The channel has been created, but we still need to make it look good. It's time to create the logo. I will use Chatgpt for this step. I just need to copy the prompt from the Google Doc and go back to Chatgpt. The prompt is asking Chatgpt to provide a text prompt that can be used to generate a logo using any AI image generator. I will open an AI image generator like Gencraft for this. After pasting the prompt in the AI image generator, I need to make sure that the settings are right. I should click on Enhance Prompt to help reconstruct the prompt and select Realistic for image style before clicking on Generate. After generating the image, I'll download it and then go back to YouTube, click on Customize Channel and move to Channel Branding. Then I'll click on Upload and add my logo. The next step is to generate a viral script, which is one of the most important steps. You really don't want to mess this up, so make sure to follow these instructions carefully. Firstly, copy this prompt and ask Chatgpt to provide a list of 100 YouTube ideas related to personal finance. Give the AI some time, and it will generate 100 video ideas that have the potential to go viral. For example, how to create a budget that works is a good topic that people will want to watch, as well as saving money on a low income. I'm thinking of making a video about how to pay off debt faster, so what I'll do is copy this prompt, go back to the Google Doc, change the first line to the topic of my choice, and then paste the whole prompt in Chatgpt. GPT will write a very interesting script that will keep viewers engaged. The next step is to create a voiceover. To do this, visit 11 Labs. To choose a voice actor, the first thing you need to do is click on the library to pick any voice of your choice. I advise you to go through them, especially in the narrative and story sections. Click on Sample to preview how the voice sounds. If you like it, you can click on Add to Voice Lab. Once you've successfully added the voice that you want to use, simply click on Use. Now, copy your script from the Google Doc part by part and generate your voiceover. Allow me to introduce you to Shoplist, a data analytics tool that caters to TikTok content creators. This platform is specifically designed to help creators stay up to date with the latest trends and monitor their account's performance. Shoplist aims to simplify influencer marketing for brand owners. Shoplist is a platform that can help you keep track of your sales and conversions, identify trends and opportunities, and optimize your marketing and sales strategies on TikTok. One of the most important tools on Shoplist is the products section. Here, you can find top-selling products, product videos, and product searches. For example, if you want to know the top products selling in the United States, you just need to select the United States and then click on all categories. You can even choose the price range or leave it as it is. By scrolling down, you will see different products that are currently popular in the United States. This makes it the best tool for content creators to promote products on their pages. Additionally, Shoplist offers a comprehensive view of influencer performance and engagement, allowing you to keep track of the strategies your competitors are using. Shoplist can provide you with valuable insights and data about your products, customers, and performance, which can help you win on TikTok. Sign up using my coupon code LEOAI for an exclusive discount. It's time to start putting the video together, and I'll be using Wondershare. You can choose any other editing software, but I prefer Wondershare because it's easier to get high-quality stock videos for visuals. The first step is to import the voice generated in 11 Labs. To do that, click on Import and select the voiceover. Then, drag the voice into the timeline. It's important to edit the voice and remove any pauses. If you leave in the pauses, viewers might get bored and click off the video, which is bad for retention and recommendations. I'll show you how to remove the pauses. To remove the pause, simply move your timer to the end of the dark green lines and click on the split tool. Then move the timer to the beginning of the dark green area and click on split. Now you can delete this empty part. Click on split, move the timer to the beginning, click on split again, and then delete it from the timeline. I'm going to skip to the next step. The next step is to add visuals, and it's very easy with Wondershare. All you need to do is click on stock media and search for whatever you want, like student, and you'll see different stock videos that you can use to create your video. They are high-quality videos. To make this easier, I've already downloaded all the stock footage that we will be using for this tutorial. To see what you've downloaded, click on Mine, and you can see your downloads. So I'm just going to add all the clips to the scene real quick. Make sure you listen to the voice before downloading and add clips to the timeline for better presentation. Next, add animation to the text by clicking on animation and selecting a suitable style such as typewriter pops out. Copy and paste this template into all the empty parts of the video. For example, right-click to copy, move the timer to the next empty part, paste it, and adjust it to fit. Then, change the text for each part. Now let's add transitions and effects to make the video more engaging. Click on Transitions and choose a transition, such as Warp Zoom 6. Drag and adjust the transition duration as needed. For effects, select Auto Enhance, and ensure that it covers the entire timeline. Let's add some background music. Click on Audio and search for Tutorial Music. Listen to different tracks to find one you like. Then click Add to Project to include the audio. After adding the music, reduce the volume to -16 so that the voice can be heard clearly. Next, add captions to the video and then you can export it. While the video is exporting, let's quickly summarize what we have done so far. First, we created a brand new YouTube channel. Then, we used AI to generate our logo and Chatgpt to create our script. After that, we utilized 11 Labs for the voiceover and Wondershare for video editing. Can return to YouTube to upload the video while the video is processing. In the meantime, we can head over to Canva and create the video thumbnail. First, open Canva and click on Create a New Design. Then select YouTube Thumbnail. Before you start designing, it's a good idea to check your competitors' channels and see the style of thumbnails they use. For example, if you search for how to pay off debt on YouTube, you can get an idea of what works. Based on that, you can decide what to create. For my thumbnail, I'll add a black background, set it as the background, and then upload an image of a person holding a credit card. I'll add text saying no debt and change the colors, leaving the word debt in red. After that, I'll need to adjust the position by clicking on Position and then Layers. I'll drag the image above the text and then my thumbnail will be ready to download and upload to YouTube. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a video description. Copy the text and paste it into the description box, then click on Public and Save. If you want your channel to grow faster, there are 2 things you must do. Number 1 is consistency. Without consistency, you are not going to make it. Secondly, it's difficult, but that's just the truth. Coming up with ideas, editing the videos, and all these things take time, but I can definitely assure you that it will be worth it in the end. Secondly, you need to engage with your community. Always reply to comments. This will make people keep coming to your channel, and that is just what the YouTube algorithm needs to recommend your videos to more people. Finally, let's discuss monetization. There are various ways to monetize this kind of content. For example, you can make money through YouTube, monetization, sponsorships, and by selling your own courses. YouTube has changed many people's lives, including mine. You just have to put in the work, and believe me, you will definitely see the results. It's just a matter of time. Thank you and peace.